I start with lecture 60 of Math 304. Here we have very fantastic idea, and that is one, three, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. So now we have value of theta is 2, means this is entered in the basic variable, and therefore it is 3. Then it is not in the basic variable, now it is 2. Then 1. Then it is 2. Then it is 1 again. And therefore we have one more 4. These are the basic variables. So we used to write dot there. Now if I write 0 here, so find ui and vj. So this is 3. So if I write 0 here, then it is 3. It is 4. As it is 3, it is minus 2. Due to that it is 4. It is minus 3. Due to that it is 5. You understand? See here. This is 0 means 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. We find it by ourselves. Then we want 1 there. Therefore we put minus 2 there. Plus 4 there. But we want 1 there, therefore it is minus 2. And we want 2 there, and therefore it is plus 1. Now we put all other entries there. Means it is 7 and 4. Then it is 7. Here it is 6. Then here it is 3 and 5. So we have taken the all entries. Now we want to calculate Cij minus ui plus vj. And therefore positive 7 minus 5 positive no other, it is not necessary to calculate others. Positive obviously positive. So we have very fantastic result there, and therefore what will be the cost of transportation? Because how much we have passed, it is 5. See, value of theta is 2 means it is out of this. This is 2. This is 12. This is 6. This is 2. And how much at 4? I forget that. And at 4 it was I think 7. Okay. And therefore the value cost of transportation is 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 28 plus 24 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 16, 22 and 28. That will be 50 and 26 means it is 76. Much better. And as this is ulti solution, because we can't find the solution after this one. If you choose the values somewhere here and there, then there will be values of calculation may be different. But otherwise, we have the same calculation. See in the next one. Dear friends, I start with new type of transportation problem, and that is unbalanced transportation problem. The word unbalanced is not much proper for this one, but that means that if you add 76, 82 and 77, 965, 1, 16 and 17. So this sum is 235. But if you sum of the demand 72, 102 and 41. So it is 5, 1 and 0. So it is 215. So there is a gap of this sum is 235 and this sum is 215. I think you understand. Just try to understand this situation, because in the previous sums we have taken, there was not such type of situation, because at that time supply and demand all are same. Just see that. So there is a difference of 20, and for that, if there is a more demand, then what happened? There will be waiting. If there is less demand, then what happened? The things or the material which remain there for so many times. So here we have to first make it balance, and therefore we have to add one column there. If something is not, we are unable to solve some things at our shop, then there will be, or shop at at factory, then there will be no transportation cost, because the things which are not going somewhere by carrying somewhere else, one place to another, then there will be no transportation cost, and therefore we put artificial demand of 20. This is artificial demand. Okay. So now this is problem, you can understand. This is 235. Now it is 235. Now we can solve by the usual method. So first method, which we will try to find the solution. Now it is balanced. Find the solution. Here it is 20. So this is the first is northwest. Corner. Dear students, as I am doing all sums along you, and therefore there is no need to write these notes again. It is already scripted, but you have to prepare your note by yourself. Okay, no problem. I will give you the notes for the theory portion, but for this sum type, you have to do it by yourself. Now 56 remain, and therefore 16, 4 and 16. This is 10. Now here it is 82, means we have to pass how much? Subtract 16 means 66. Then how much? 102 means 4, 36 and 41. Now calculate all these things and you will find that there is a solution for this one. So here, sum is 20 into 0, 0, 56 into 5, 280, 16 into 72, 72, then 36 into 17, that is 60, 50, into 25, that is 1650, 36 into 17, that is 612, and the last one 41 into 25, that will be 1025. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be your answer by northwest corner. I give you explanation that whenever you are in a final exam, this is known as physical solution. So whenever you are in a final exam or college exam, you have to write only which thing? By Vogel's method, least cost method, least cost penalty method. Okay? So I do the same again by the minimum cost entry method. And I rewrite the same again zero 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 5 17 99 9 25 70 9 17 25 76 82 77 20 72 102 and 40. Now I would like to check it again, and therefore 0599 0599 017 25 17 017 25 17 09 17 25 09 17 okay. 76 82 77 20 72 102 and 40. So it's okay. Now I would like to solve this by minimum cost entry method. So minimum will be the 0, and we can use either of the solution. So I enter it here. So this is over, this is done. Now among this is minimum, and therefore I enter 72 there. This is done. Now among this 9 is minimum. Unfortunately, we can give only 5 there. now 17 is minimum, so I can give 77, so this is minimum, this is done, and now I can give 41, and therefore now how much will remain? 61. This 21 is remain. 41, 20 means it is 62, then it is 21, here it is 77. So how much I can give? 77. So this is done there. 77 and 5 is 82. This is 82. And 20. 77. I have given somewhere? No, nowhere. Over. Then I give 5. Oh, I have to give that 4. Sorry. Because it is 77 and therefore here it is 20. Okay. 4, 22. 4 means here it is 77. It's okay, fine. 81 and here it is 20. Now listen. So this will be our cost of transportation. Just I calculate it. One minute please. So here we have cost of transportation is 2927. How it is? 20 into 0, 0. 72 into 5 is 360. 9 4 are 36. 21 into 25 525. 17 into 17 1309. And this is 41 into 17 697. Clear? And the sum is this. So it is much better. We did it with less amount of cost. The another method which I would like to explain, that is models method. So whenever you are in exam, you should start with this method. For that we have to calculate penalties. Here the penalties are 5, 17, 9, 0, 4, 8 and 8. So this is the, so I suggest you to try to solve this sum by yourself. So I will go further in the next lecture, and I would like to stop this lecture here, and we are going further in this sum in next lecture. So you prepare it by yourself, and I hope you will do this by yourself. Now put the values of put the flow of maximum where the penalties is maximum. At the maximum penalty you have to do maximum possible flow for the minimum values. I think you can do it by yourself very well. Just go by further by one or two steps by yourself, and then I will solve it in the next lecture. I stop for this lecture. Thank you very much.